Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. All praises go to the Most High Yah. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another day. Welcome. So today I'm coming to you all to show y'all how to make some really cute pony bead bracelets. And you can make these pony beads using simple beads to achieve the look. You see all of this right here? All of this was done with pony beads. So I'm going to go ahead and get into what you're going to need in order to make those stretch bracelets. You're going to need some Stretch Magic. You can order these supplies from Amazon.com, okay? These are some neutral 10 millimeter wood beads, okay? You can get them in a pack just like this. I believe this was about maybe a couple of hundred, okay? A couple of hundred in here. And Amazon.com. And these brown ones you can get from Amazon.com too. These are 8 millimeter. Okay, these are 8 millimeter. And these are 10 millimeter. Now you will need some pony beads. Now the pony beads you can pretty much get from anywhere. This is a nice selection that has just about every color in it. And I purchased this kit from Walmart for like maybe $11, $12. You can also get pony beads from Amazon.com too, okay? So this one, as you can see, has a lot of beautiful colors. And you're going to need some Stretch Magic cord. Now this you can purchase at any craft store. You can also buy this from Amazon.com. It's a little pricey if you get it from Amazon, but if you go to like Michael's or Joann Fabrics or any craft store, Hobby Lobby that sells Stretch Magic cord, because most craft stores sell it, you will get it cheaper. If you order this online at Amazon, it's going to be quite expensive, okay? So what you want to do is you want to have your round nose pliers and your wire cutters, and pretty much you're going to be using your wire cutters, okay? And you're just going to snip a generous amount of your cord, and you want to pre-stretch your cord, okay? So you want to pre-stretch your cord, and your reason for pre-stretching your cord is so that when you wear your bracelet won't stretch. You won't have those gaps in between, so you pre-stretch your cord so you won't have the extra gaps, okay? So the first one I'm going to show you all how to make, I'm going to use these right here. One right there in my top, okay? And you can pretty much count out how many beads you're going to need per bracelet. So if you look at this bracelet right here, I did this in a blue because the one thing that I love about pony beads is that you can pretty much use any type of color of beads to make it really pretty, and that's really pretty. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you need 15 of your pony beads. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's like 30 beads altogether. So 15 and 15, okay? And when you put it on, that's how it's going to fit on your wrist, all right? Now, if you are making these for children, you want to use lesser beads, okay? And so the very first thing that I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to add on 15 and 15, which makes 30. So we're going to add on 1. And then whatever choice of color that I'm going to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to random slide these on. Okay, random slide them on. Like I said, no particular color. Just slide them on as I go along. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to speed this process up because this is going to take me a minute, okay? Okay, so as you can see all these beautiful colors I got in here? All right, so basically what you want to do next is you're going to tie it in a few knots. The one thing that I really love about the pony beads with the wood beads is that the wood beads, the holes on the wood beads, since they are 10 millimeter, they will, you can hide the knot. And after you hide the knot, I don't have any glue, but you can put some glue on the end of the knot, okay? And you want to slide that knot in just like that, okay? So I'm going to snip this off just like that. Okay, pull that through. And then you got yourself a really cool wooden, look at that, bracelet. And like I said, you can make these in all colors. You got the blue here. I mean, you can really hook these up. Look at this. I got it in black, some solid ones. I'm going to just try some of these on so that y'all can see what it actually look like. How they look on. Really different, really unique. And then I'm going to make one out of the wood beads. Okay, so this is what these look like. Awesome, awesome share. Okay. And you can make these in, like I said, in different sizes. 15 10 millimeter wood beads, and then you have the 15 pony beads. Okay, so it's 30. If you want to make a medium size, you can make a medium. This is pretty much like a medium size. So this is a step. Actually, yeah, this one is smaller than this one, okay? So we're going to make something like this next using these 8 millimeter beads. Now, it doesn't really matter what beads you decide that you want to go with. And then I added a hint of that gold in there just like that. Make sure that when you go to, say, you know, when you start selling these, people will, yeah, this time, I'm just going to slide some of these brown ones down like that. Okay. And you can make these, and see, these right here are for children. And if I'm not mistaken, see the pink? Let me count these and see. So it's 1, 2, 3. I actually put my hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you need 22. So you're going to need, yeah, you're going to need 11 of the pony beads and 11 of the wood beads. So let me just make sure that that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. So it's going to be 22 for a kid's bracelet. Okay, so anybody 5 and up. Actually, anybody 3 or 4 and up can wear this, okay? And this is this is a perfect actual size from anybody from 4 up till about maybe 8 or 9 years old, depending on their wrist, okay? And this is these here. Let me see. I should have some medium ones. I think, is this the medium one? No, those are the same size. But anyway, so let me go ahead and show y'all how I do these. Pretty much, it's the same way. It's just that the holes with these wood beads, because these are 8 millimeter, the holes are much, much smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and actually, I'm going to do one solid color. How about I do just pink? So I'm just going to do pink. Okay, y'all, so here you have it. So this one I made smaller for a child. That's what it looks like. And the thing that I love about this is that it's so awesome because you can do so many of these. Now, most of the time, what I see here is I see a lot of people when they do use pony beads, they just put the pony beads together. But when you add wood to it, now this is not going to fit in there, so it'll just probably slide in there. But just make sure you put a little bit of glue or whatever at the top of that string. And you might want to just snip it a little more and tie it as many times as you see fit. But I'm going to show you that this is the same size as this. Okay, and this one I made for a little kid. All right. And like I said, you can do these in so many awesome, awesome colors. So get your pony bead thing on. Go and get you some stuff. And like I said, you can get this kit from Walmart. They do have this kit. And the thing that I love about this is all of these colors, y'all. It is so awesome. So with that being said, please make sure that you thumbs up this here video. Happy crafting. And until my next one, peace and blessings, everyone.